Math Curse by Ballif. The PE Curse. Choosing teams. If there are 33 students in a PE class and they have to be divided into 3 teams, you would do 33 divided by 3 and get 11. Running track. 1 lap around a track equals 400 meters. 1 mile equals 1,600 meters. How many laps would the students have to run to equal 1 mile? An easy way of doing this is you can take the zeros off of 1,600 and the zeros out of 400, and then you could do 16 divided by 4, and then you would get 4, which are the 4 laps that the students would have to run. Points. Students in a PE class are playing a game where members on the white team have to get past members on the yellow team into their safe zone. If they achieve this goal, they will get 1 point for their team for each person. If the yellow team pulls members on the white team's flags, they get 2 points for their team. The question is, who is winning? So far, members on the yellow team have pulled 9 people's flags. So you take the 9 students times 2 points, and that equals 18. Then, to find out how many the white team has, 21 students have made it into the safe zone. So you take 21 students times 1 point, and that equals 21. So now it is obvious that the white team is winning. Supplies. A PE class is playing Capture the Cone. To play Capture the Cone, you need 24 cones, 12 for each team. They need to know if they have enough cones to play, and if not, how many cones do they still need. So far, they have 4 dark yellow cones, 6 light yellow cones, and 5 white cones. So, to find out how many cones they still need, they first need to find out how many they have. So, they'd take 4 plus 6 plus 5, and that equals 15. So they have 15 cones, obviously not 24. So to find out how many they still need, they'd take 24 cones minus 15, and that equals 9. So they still need 9 cones. Yardage with integers. So students are running sprints in PE class. They start on the 10-yard line, then they run 10 yards, and then back 5. Then they run 25 yards, and then back 10. And then finally they run 20 yards. To find the total yardage that they have run with integers, you do 10 plus -5 plus 25 plus -10 plus 20. An easy way of finding this out are you first add the negatives together, so -5 plus -10, and that equals -15. Then you would add the positives together, so 10 plus 25 plus 20, that equals 55. So -15 plus 55 is the same as 55 minus 15. And that, of course, equals 45. So the total yardage that the students have run are 45 yards.